Hello everyone! Today, we're gonna talk about different myths we all believe in to this day. It almost seems like there is a secret organization that comes up with these ideas and makes them popular for some unknown reason. So, let's begin. Myth number 1. Humans come from chimpanzees. In fact, that chimpanzee you saw in the zoo isn't your great-great-great-great-great-grandfather. He is more like a distant family member. Humans and chimpanzees come from a common ancestor and share 95% of their genes. At some moment in the past, humans and chimpanzees evolved differently, and now humans look like this and chimpanzees look like that. Myth number 2. In summer, the Earth is closer to the sun than in winter. It's not like that. The thing is that apart from going around the sun, the Earth rotates around its own axis, which goes right through the center of Earth from top to bottom. And this axis is tilted in relation to the sun. So, during the summer, the sun's rays hit the Earth at a steep angle, while during the winter, the sun's rays merely touch the Earth and spread out. For the same reason, when the northern hemisphere enjoys summer, the southern hemisphere is freezing, and vice versa. Myth number 3. People go bananas during a full moon. This might be true only for werewolves. Nevertheless, humans have believed for centuries that when the moon is full and bright, mystical things can happen. But there isn't scientific proof that a full moon can make people more aggressive or crazy than they already are. Myth number 4. A penny left on the tracks can derail a train. Think about it for a moment. Trains, especially cargo trains, weigh thousands of tons. They don't go off the rails even if they hit a rock or a car. The truth is that ever since trains were invented, people have been flattening pennies on the tracks, which is dangerous, but only for the people placing the coins. So someone came up with this myth to stop people from coming close to the rails. Myth number 5. Bats are blind. Actually, bats can see pretty well, but just like dogs, they prefer to use other senses to move around, like smelling and hearing, and it works pretty well for them. Bats use echolocation to navigate and find food in the dark. Friends, tell us if you know any other silly myths. The best and most unusual comments will be featured in the next episode. And don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. See you soon in a new episode of Super Tony. Bye-bye!